Friday. I just wanted to come on here and give you all some tips for the end of the season. It is September 12th, and we only have a few months left before the end of the year, before it's tax time again. So I just got a client in the office and she was asking for payroll services, and she was also wanting me to look over what another tax professional had done on her taxes because she didn't feel it was right. First tip, if if while you're in the tax professional's office, if something doesn't feel right, please just speak up. And if you don't feel like maybe your question isn't answered and they didn't answer it the right way, use ChatGPT to ask to answer the question for you and see if it aligns with what the tax professional is saying to you. Because in the end, it's your tax return and you're the one liable for paying or if you have to owe. So if you're going to have to owe, you might as well make sure that it's necessary to owe that amount. My client who came in here, the tax professional had her owing about 15,000. When I looked over what he had done, I saw where some corrections could be made. And so luckily, he had said he filed it, but she called him after she left my office. She texted me and said that. And he said he didn't file it. So she's not going to file with him, and we're going to do her taxes correctly, which I'm so thankful for. So she doesn't have to pay 15,000. So key takeaway. If something, and she told me while I was giving her the consultation that she just didn't feel that that was correct. And so I want to stress, if you feel that something isn't right or you don't have to owe that amount of money, then you probably won't have to owe it or don't have to owe it. Don't quote me though. Don't quote me. But if you feel something isn't right, then get a second opinion. It doesn't cost you anything to get a second opinion. I mean, you might have to pay it for a consultation, but you rather pay $100, $200 for a consultation than 15,000 at the end of the day. So just make sure that you all ask your questions. And if you don't know what questions to ask ChatGPT what questions you should ask. And hi Matthew. Hola, hola Jose. How you doing? Um, if you don't know what questions to ask ChatGPT. What questions should you be asking in a consultation with a tax professional doing your taxes? And see how that professional answers the questions. And it is about building a relationship because this person most likely is going to be doing your taxes for a long time. And you want to make sure that they know most things. They're not going to know everything in the tax code because the tax code is let me see. The tax code is this thick. So it's damn near impossible to know every single solitary thing, but you can know quite a bit. So just make sure they're well versed. And some tax professionals are experts in certain areas, and ask them what their area of expertise is. Hey, oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, my hair is kind of wild today. Oh, okay, Butcher. So, yes. You should also start gathering all of your expenses, writing that down, put it in QuickBooks or Excel or what have you, because tax time is around the corner. So let me know if that helped you. If you have any questions, reach out on IG, Jennings Peyton Tax Service, all one word together, JENNINGS Tax Service on IG. DM me. You all have a happy, wonderful, and lovely Friday.